Sometimes in the winter, whenever everything's kind of going dormant and we're losing a lot of the color, I really like to be able to see color still. Strawflowers, they're one of my favorite flowers to use for dried bouquets. They dry really well. The flower shape tends to change as it dries, and they hold their color really well. What's cool about them is they have so many different shape stages. So you've got ones like this, that are like tiny little blooms that haven't quite opened yet. Ones that are kind of in their middle stage of opening, and then the ones like this that are fully open. So whenever you're selecting flowers to make your bouquets, what you want to do is pick some of these ones that aren't fully open, some of the ones that are partially open, because as they dry, they will open more. If you pick one that is already open, as it dries, the petals start to fold out, and once it's fully dry, they actually invert, so it doesn't end up looking quite as appealing. Typically, my bouquets, what I will do is put them together, use a rubber band or twine to attach them, and then hang them upside down. They last pretty much indefinitely. You can dry them and hang them as they are, but then later if you decide you want to use them to make a wreath, you can combine multiple dried bouquets into a wreath, and they just make really pretty decoration.